since in this last sort of few Ks on this on this tank. I've not got much fuel there, and I was hoping to get over into Germany over the border before I filled up because it's cheaper. I've got like 5 francs left, so I'm going to throw that in, splash and dash. I don't want to run out because I'll be pissed right off. Smashing. What a pikey. Arriving at the border. Well, I've got to pay. Oh, not. Oh, I've made it, thank God for that. Oh, that's expensive. Shit, it's not any cheaper. All that cocking around just to save myself a few cents. 34 euros. Robin Feckers. He has arrived. Here it is. Oh, this looks nice. That beer garden's got my name all over it. Well, by stroke of luck, I get to park the bike in the garage. How good is that? Oh, that'll do. Right, I'm going to go get the rest of my shizzle and get down in the bar. On it.
I thought I heard a bike go 4:30 this morning. I thought that might have been you.
Yeah.
4:30, yeah. Have a safe trip.
Yeah, and you guys have fun.
Yeah.
50-point turn.
Yeah.
Well, that was a beautiful stay. Very relaxing, chilled out, a few beers. Up and at it early. I had breakfast at 6:30 this morning and packed the bag because I want to get this. How long we got? 291 Ks we got to go. So get that smashed out, straight into the hotel, gear off the bike, and down to the ring and see what's happening and see if we can get on. Ord ferry? Are you kidding? I like a ferry. Board ferry. Where? Here. Oh, damn. I wonder what this costs. Das zulässige Hochgewicht pro Fahrzeug beträgt 3,5 Tonnen. Maximum weight for vehicles 3.5 tons. I think we're under that. Even though I did have a few pizzas on the trip. Yeah, don't say the price. Get on there and be like, yeah, that'd be 27 euros, please. Fuck. Boarding. Free! How about that? Well, weather is looking good. Hopefully it stays that way. I had a look online last night in the hotel, and it appears that today is only the Nordschleife that's open for tourists and not the GP circuit, which is a bit disappointing. But the GP circuit is looking to be open tomorrow for tourists, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it because I have to check out the hotel and I'll have to have all my gear on the bike, and I don't want to do it with all the shite on. Ooh, a bit cheaper here. Brimmersville. Morgan. D4. Well, guys and gals, we have nearly arrived. I've just on the last stop where I pulled over, the
motorway is absolutely destroying my back tyre. Right on the power band in the middle, it's all coming apart. Like I've been ragging its arse and it's overheated and it's got loads of pickup all over the middle of it. So I'm a bit concerned about that. As I pulled up at a set of lights at some roadworks, the guy said to me, he said, "Oh, your rear tyre looks done." So it probably is anyway, but it's got over 6,000 Ks on it, so I'm gonna have a look in a sec. 3.5 Ks to go to the hotel. Get myself checked into the hotel first. Oh, guests park up the top. Let's have a look at this friggin' rear tyre. Ain't that bad. Right, let's get checked in. See you in a sec. Right then, let's go and see and if I can get a cheeky lap in. You can hear a few cars screaming past in the hotel, but I don't think it can't be that busy. I hope not, because it's proper dodgy, the Nordschleife. You just got to keep away from everybody. Wohin? Ist gesperrt oder wie ist er?
Ja, heute ist nur hier für schnelle Schwaben.
Also kein Touristenfahren?
Bitte?
Kein Touristenfahren heute?
Nein, Viertel nach 5.
Ah, heute Viertel nach 5. Okay. Oh, you're kidding. How shit is that? They put it on the internet, it's a tourist day, and then you get it, yeah, only after 5:15 you can get on it. Oh, my heart is going like 10 to the dozen. Adrenaline.